Hey guys, my name is Yuri and today I'm shooting here with e.l.f. Cosmetics and I created this look using the 18 Hit Wonder palette. So if you guys want to see how I created it, then keep on watching. I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Lock It primer, and this is a sheer primer, so we're going to be using this as a base. Just apply some, and I do love to blend this out with my finger. So I'm going from inner corner to bottom, right here, right below my brow, and I'm going to be extending it out. With a small contour brush, I'm going to be picking up the shade Summer. And I'm just going to be packing this all over my crease area. Now I'm working slowly and really amping up that color as we go. And I'm also going to be bringing it in here to close off the eye a little bit. But this color goes on beautifully. It's super pigmented. And the color, I just feel like this is a perfect transition color for anyone. It's just really, really warm. All right, so now that we don't have that much product on the same brush, I'm just going to be using it in circular motions and I'm going to be blending out the edges. Now here's a pro tip for you guys. So what I love to do using the same brush is picking up a matte bone color or a white, and in this case I will be picking up the shade Peach that's right here in the palette. And now I'm going to be blending those edges really, really softly. This will give you like that really soft blend, just like a pro. Really, really easy. Using that same small contour brush, now picking up the shade Heat, and this is going to be going in the same place that Summer went. And then I'm blending those two colors together. Now picking up this small crease brush, I'm going to be buffing everything together. Now I'm going to be cutting my crease, and I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this one is in the shade Medium Sand. Now I'm going to be using candy all over my lid, and I'm going to be mixing it with a little bit of Velvet. First, we're going in with candy. And we're going to be applying this right here from the inner all the way probably to the middle of my eyelid. Now picking up Velvet. And this is going to go right out here on the outer edge. For my bottom lash line, I will be using the shades Velvet and Royal. For my inner corner highlight, I will be picking up Vibrant. This really just pulls the whole look together. And now I'm going to be creating a wing liner using the H20 Proof Eyeliner Pen in the shade Black. Now to tightline, I will be using the waterproof gel eyeliner, and this is also in the shade Black. And the reason why I do this is because it really does help your false lashes look like they're coming from you, like natural. So I really never skip this step. Now I'm gonna begin the other eye. For mascara, I will be using the Eye Enhancing Mascara. And you really don't need much with this one, so we're just going to be applying a really thin coat. For lashes, I will be using the Luxe Lash Kit in Winged and Polish, and the really cool thing about it is it does come with applicator, so it makes it way easier to apply. For lips, I will be using the Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this one is in Berry Sorbet. I love this formula so much, and the applicator is perfect. I love to use the applicator as a lip liner because it is so precise. Alright guys, so I'm all done and I really love the way it turned out. I love the shimmers in here, the purples, the berry tones, And you guys, it is only $14. Yes, you can get this palette at elfcosmetics.com and also at Target.